In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to make a Reggae House beat on Suno AI. So the first thing you need to do is log into your account on Suno.com. Then from here you need to go to Create and click on Instrumental. And then you need to go down to where you want to write in the prompts. Then from here you can go down in the description and find a bunch of different prompts that you can use and take ideas from to make your own unique sound. But let's make something. Let's make a deep reggae house. Feelings should be relaxed. Have some Rhodes piano, a deep bass, and soft percussions. And let's make this 115 BPM, shall we? And then 4 for a time. And then from here, when you're done clicking in the prompts, you need to click Create. And then when it's done downloading or creating, then you can click on it, listen to it, and download if you want to do that. But let's hear it when it first comes. Sounds pretty good. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!